This is the Torras military grade 9H plus tempered glass shatterproof full coverage one-piece metal lens protector plate for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look, including how to install it and how to remove it.
Ooh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Look at how thin that is. The cleaning kit and the user's manual. They have this for the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max in the different colors. So this is the deep blue for the 17 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and install it.
First, we're going to clean the lenses with the cleaning cloth. Then dry it off with the Torras branded reusable cleaning cloth. And you're gonna wanna make sure it is completely free of dust. So to do that, you can use the dust sticker. Then we are ready to install. Do not get rid of the backing because that can help you remove it later on. Before we install it, I just want to take a close look. That is incredibly thin, but it's metal. So cool. These bits are open and then these are glass over the lenses. You're just gonna fit it on top. So now your lenses are totally covered, but you've barely added any extra bulk. It's gorgeous. It matches your phone completely. Oh my gosh. Of course you could do something fun and get a color that's contrasting, but if you do like this, it's just gonna match completely. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Once you get it on, hopefully you don't need to remove it, but let's say it gets cracked or scratched or something, you need to replace it. So then that's where this is gonna come in handy to help you just kind of like shimmy it in there, break the seal, and boom. And you can see now that I've popped it off, that's the like adhesive layer, the white bit, and then you've got the metal behind it. So when I kind of shimmied it off, I smooshed that in a little, but that is how it's going to adhere to your phone. And this was just ever so briefly on, but there's zero residue. I have never not loved something from Torras, and this is just another great item from them.